Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Foodpanda, Food and Groceries, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Foodpanda is a food and grocery delivery app designed to make ordering meals and essentials quick and convenient. Operating in multiple countries, it connects users to thousands of restaurants, supermarkets, and local stores, offering a variety of cuisines and everyday products. The app is available on both iOS and Android and supports features like real-time order tracking, in-app chat with delivery partners, and various payment options including cashless methods. The app's main feature is its all-in-one delivery platform. Users can order from restaurants, buy groceries via Pandamart, or even pick up their own meals to save time. Foodpanda also provides exclusive deals, discounts, and subscription-based benefits such as free deliveries on select orders. Its user-friendly design makes browsing restaurants, selecting meals, and tracking deliveries seamless and efficient. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Foodpanda's fast delivery, wide restaurant selection, and timely notifications. It's especially praised for its convenience, variety, and the ability to order both food and groceries from one platform. The Pandamart grocery delivery feature has received positive feedback for being fast and reliable, especially for last-minute needs. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported inconsistent delivery times during busy hours, occasional missing items, and varying service quality depending on the location. Additionally, customer support responses can sometimes be delayed, particularly in high-demand periods. In summary, the Foodpanda app may be worth using if you're looking for a quick and easy way to order meals, snacks, or groceries right to your door. It's ideal for busy individuals who value convenience, real-time tracking, and diverse food options. However, if you're in an area with limited restaurant availability or prefer more consistent delivery times, it may not always be the best fit. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.